They look really good in the car. I was kind of shocked at honestly how good they look. Hey guys, welcome back to the video. Today we are doing some final touches. It is almost ready to go on the road, but we have to do these small details to get it there. And today we will be putting in interior and a few other things. So let's get started on that. As you can see, we have the Corbeaus. I actually bought these probably 8 years ago. They've been sitting at my house just waiting for something to put it in. And then I got seat brackets for this one specifically to go in the E21. So we are going to get into that now and get them going. First off though, I need to get the seat belts bolted down. I found the bolts for those, both sides, and the covers go on them. Second, we need to bolt this down, that actual seat belt part, to here. I have one bolt. I need to find another one, but I'm going to tighten those down because that is the first step. Before we get the seats in, it'll be a lot harder to do after. Alright, let's open this thing up. I got my sword right here. Alright, so these are the seat brackets I got. I got them where they slide because this is going to be like a daily. And I have these that are adjustable, not fixed back, so just for comfort for the daily. So we're going to get these out of the box, mount them up, see what they look like, and go from there. Alright, made some progress. Got the passenger side seat in. The brown carpet looks so bad with the red. And these seats are just temporary. I had them sitting around, so I'm gonna throw them in just to get it running and driving. Trust me, they will be black eventually, or I will dye the carpet black or something. There is a little problem. These are made for the E21, it says, and driver side, but the holes do not line up perfect. As you can see, it's a little bit off. Crooked, so I'm having to drill out a little bit on the sides to make them fit. That's just what I'm doing. I contacted Corbeau, haven't heard anything from them. It's a Sunday, so kind of waiting for a response. So I will inform y'all when I get an update on that, but for now I'm doing that just to make it work so I can drive it. So we're gonna get the other seat put in and then we'll be back when we get that done. Alright, we got the seats in. They honestly do not look that bad. They look really good in the car. I was kind of shocked at honestly how good they look. I was thinking they would just kind of get by, but the red is kind of actually looking good. But I still am probably going to go with black down the road. In the next generation, I will go black and some other things will be done to it. I put the filter on here, and then all I need is a little hose for right here to the PCV, so that will be done. And then right now gonna do the windshield wipers because they are crusty and old, and this one over here is actually falling apart right there, as you can see. So what I got here is the Rain-X Expert Fit. They are 16-inch blades on both sides, so I'm gonna put them on now. And they're on now, out with the old, in with the new. These crusty ones right here are trash. Gonna get rid of those, and these fit so nice. So that's a little small upgrade. It'll be great when driving down the road in the rain. It'll make such a big difference while driving down the road, getting all the water off. It's a small detail, but to me, it means a lot. Next, we are going to try and put this hood on, and we will show you doing that, and that should be everything except for next video, which is why the wheels are off, as you can see right there. But we'll get to that later. So we're gonna put the hood on now. Alright, the hood is on. Don't have it fully down yet, but it is on. Seats are in. Wipers are on. And we have one more thing that I think is going to make this look better. You might be able to guess it right here beforehand. If you do, put it in the comments. I guessed it. Alright, I'm going to start with the back. And it's the badge. I got a 50th anniversary badge for the front and the back. And it should just pop right in. Just make sure it's in the holes. Just give it a nice push on both sides. Alright. That looks really good. I love that. Now we gotta do the front and it's gonna all come together. Alright, so we got the front one on. I need to get some 3M tape or something because this one's a little loose, or get the little pieces that go in there like the back has and put it in properly. But right now it's just sitting in there for the looks, but oh, it looks so much better. It's got the hood on, seats are in, everything looks good. I cannot wait to see it with the wheels and tires on it put back on the ground. But for now, that's where we're at, and it looks so much better than it did the beginning of this video. Just simple stuff, just had to be done, and I finally got it done. Alright guys, that's going to conclude it for this video. We were able to put the hood on, the seats on, windshield wipers, and these badges right here. They are all on, so it looks really good now. Aesthetically is amazing, and all we got left is to do the brakes. I need wheel cylinders in the back. Found that out, so I'm going to have to replace those and bleed the whole system, bleed the clutch, because the clutch is attached to the brake cylinder, our master cylinder. So after that, all we need is the exhaust, and it's running and driving. And then we can put the wheels back on after the brakes, so I'm looking forward to that and so hyped for that. So stay tuned, and we will see you in the next video. Peace out.